Hey YouTube, it's me, Lizzie again. I'm the discount vegan. In case you're new here, I make budget-friendly recipes and teach you how to garden even in the smallest spaces so that you can save money on what you eat and spend it or save it somewhere else. So if that sounds good to you, then subscribe. If you haven't already, hit the bell notification. This lets you know when I have new videos up, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. And yeah, so let's get into today's video. Okay, so today we're doing something a little inspired by the cold. It is, let's just say it went from pretty fall to WTF winter in less than 24 hours. Here in Canada, anyways. And that means we need a lot of warmth. We need warm, yummy foods. So, I wanted to share with you my current favorite stew/chili. So, let's get into that, shall we? Okay, so you're going to need one whole sweet potato, one regular potato. I use Yukon, russet, doesn't matter. Then you want half a cup of corn, a full cup of mixed beans, half a cup of TBP, and I know protein and protein, but like textures, right? Then you have about a cup of frozen squash, and the corn is frozen too, so this is kind of a mix of everything. This is about a cup and a half of pureed tomato. I made this myself, but you can use a can, doesn't matter. 2 cups of veggie broth, and your seasonings, you have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of nooch or nutritional yeast. You also have half a teaspoon of onion powder, about half a teaspoon of salt. That you can regulate yourself. It depends on your tomato sauce and your veggie stock. And then, of course, this is a stew/chili-esque type thing. So we have chili powder as well. So the first thing you gotta do, turn your stove onto medium and put your veggie stock in. You can also use like vegan beef broth and things like that. This is just what I make. And then you're going to want to put your potatoes in to cook. They're the first things to go in. All right. So now that that's in, you just want to cook it and let it go. Okay, so that has been cooking. We're going to just double check. Good to go. Fork goes through. Now we add everything else. So TVP goes in. Frozen, not so frozen anymore, goes in. Corn and beans. The tomato sauce goes in. I call it tomato sauce, but really it's basically pureed stewed tomatoes that I made. And of course, the seasoning goes in. And then we just stir it up. Now you may or may not need some more veggie broth, depending on how you like it. And from here, I'm just going to let that stew for a little bit. Until you're ready to serve. Okay, so here it is. This is so good. It's so filling, so full of everything you need and a little bit more. And I mean, look how thick it is. I don't know about you, but I really love a thick, kind of chunky, not chewy, but like chunky, you know, something you can actually sink your teeth into kind of style stews and chilies. So this is definitely it. I mean, hello, look at that. And it smells amazing. So if this looks good for you, I really hope you try it. And click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what you love in your chilies and stews. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.